Now for question 15, which of the following substances contains covalent bonds? Covalent bonds, right, is formed between non-metals and non-metals. Okay, so I'm going to start with option D first, sodium bromide, which is NaBr. So sodium is your group 1 metal, bromine is group 7 non-metal. So metal and non-metal, right, they form ionic bonds. So option D is not my answer. For option C, calcium nitride. Nitride is the ion of nitrogen, so N3 minus. So chemical formula would be Ca3N2. So again, calcium is your metal, nitrogen is a non-metal, so they form ionic bonds. Option C is also not my answer. Option B, barium oxide. Barium is a metal, oxygen is a non-metal, so they form ionic bonds as well. Okay, which means option A would be the answer, ammonium chloride. Now, for ammonium chloride, it actually contains both ionic as well as covalent bonds. How so, right? Is if I split it up into the respective ions, NH4 plus and Cl minus. Okay, that is your positive, your negative ions. So this is where the ionic bonds are present, okay, between oppositely charged ions. Where is the covalent bonds? It's within NH4 plus. So if I were to draw the dot and cross diagram for this, okay, it will look like that, whereby nitrogen and hydrogen, they share electrons, okay, such that they all achieve a stable noble gas configuration. So within NH4 plus, right, this is where the covalent bonds are. So that's why answer for question 15 is option A.